Hi everyone, my name is Judy from Discover Your Style, and thank you for joining me today on this conversation. The topic I'd like to discuss is taking stock. Now, many of us are taking time to take stock in different areas of our life, given the current circumstances in which we find ourselves in. But as a style navigator, I specifically would like to address our closets. You see, many of us have clothes of memories past, shoes of impulse, and outerwear of yesteryear. And as we're going through our clothes, we're evaluating whether these pieces of clothing should move forward with us into the new normal, or that there might be pieces that we might or should leave behind. So, what are the typical questions or general questions that are often asked as we go through a closet? Sure. Does it fit? Is it in need of some repair? And do you even like it? While all those questions are good, I think there's some important questions we also need to ask ourselves. One being, does this piece of clothing help tell the story of who I am? What do I mean by that? Well, our lives can be likened to a book, and each page an experience that we've had in our life. And as all those pages come together, they make the complete picture of who we are as an individual. Now, does that piece of clothing that you're looking at, does it help tell the story of who you are as an individual? Good question to ask ourselves. Another question is, does this piece of clothing tell the story that I want to moving forward into the new normal? Or another way is to say is, does this really represent who I am now and as I move forward? You see, as we're taking stock, we recognize that we have been making some changes and that changes have been made, whether that's financially, emotionally, and even in the way we think. So the clothes, again, that we decide to keep should really help us with those changes and those goals as we move forward. And that brings me actually to the third question. Sure, it might fit, and it might need very little repairs, and you might even like it. But when you put it on your body, does it empower you? Does it make you feel confident as you move or navigate your way into the new normal? You see, our clothes tell an awesome story, and they have the ability or the power to really infuse us with energy or to shut it down, to help us navigate through the world into the direction in which we so desire. So yes, it really is important to take stock. If you have any questions or you'd like to leave a comment below regarding some of the things you've been asking yourself as you've gone through your closet or going through, I would love to hear them. As well, if you would like to see more content related to the inner person and how it relates to the clothing in which we wear, please press subscribe. And thank you, and have a great day.